Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about decision making statements. Let's start our class. What are decision making statements? Decision making statements in Python are used to control the flow of execution based on certain conditions. The primary decision making statements in Python are if statement, if else statement, if else statement. If statement. The if statement executes a block of code if a specified condition is true. If else statement. The if else statement executes one block of code if a specified condition is true and another block of code if the condition is false. If else statement. The if else statement checks multiple conditions. If the first condition is false, it checks the next one, and so on. If all conditions are false, it executes the else block. Let's see a Python program for conditional statements.